The Ford GT has real racing history. It's won its class at the 2016 24 Hours of LeMans. That shows it belongs alongside the world's most desirable supercars. Sure, the GT's twin-turbo V6 is less exotic than the 8, 10, 12, and 16-cylinder engines that power some of its rivals, but the mighty EcoBoost under its rear deck generates 660 horses and loads of torque. Feeding the rear wheels through a lightning-fast dual-clutch automatic, this combination provides near-scary acceleration. While the 2021 GT is best experienced on a racetrack where it can showcase its awesome capability, it's also almost as easy to drive in the daily grind as a Ford Mustang. Ford hasn't released official pricing for the 2021 GT, but it's expect the supercar to continue to start at $500,000. Although that means most of us could never afford to own this exotic Ford, it's still fun to dream and fiddle with a configurator on the consumer site. Unlike the supercharged V8 in the previous generation GT, the new car is equipped with a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine that's similar to the one found in the Ford F-150 Raptor. Pumping out 660 horsepower and 550 foot-pounds of torque, the V6 is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Driving the GT is surprisingly easy, and the big car feels light and agile from a driver's perspective. Despite its performance potential, the ride isn't as punishing as you might imagine. The suspension rides just short of choppy over minor bumps, but it'll still transmit some harsh impacts through to the cabin. Preserving fossil fuels is the lowest priority when it comes to supercars. However, the Ford GT is one of the most efficient examples. The EPA estimates the 2021 model will earn 12 miles per gallon city and 18 highway. Compare that with gas guzzlers like the Bugatti Chiron, 9 to 15 miles per gallon city to highway, and the Lamborghini Aventador, 9 to 14 miles per gallon city to highway. Then again, the Ford has 6 fewer cylinders than the Lambo and 10 fewer than the Bugatti. The interior is extremely minimalistic and driver-focused, with almost every control relegated to the race car-inspired steering wheel. Getting inside is a challenge, but once you're there, you'll notice the driver's seat doesn't adjust. Instead, Ford engineered the pedals and steering wheel to adjust to the driver's position in the fixed seat. The gauge cluster looks as if it were taken directly out of the Ford GT race car, and another digital display is inset into the suede-wrapped dashboard and controls the infotainment functions. It has a 6.5-inch touchscreen that supports Ford's Sync 3 software. Also responds to voice commands, has built-in navigation in case you want to take this $500,000 beast in a sunny day trip. That's all for this time. Tell us what you think about Ford GT 2021 in comment section below. If you liked the video, feel free to like and subscribe to see more awesome videos. Thanks for watching.